Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through the Self-Love Meditation Worksheet. A Self-Love Meditation Worksheet is a structured and introspective resource designed to facilitate the practice of self-love and self-compassion through meditation and self-reflection. This tool is a comprehensive guide to help individuals explore and improve their self-esteem, self-worth, and overall self-image. The worksheet typically comprises several sections, each serving a specific purpose in the journey towards self-love. Guided meditation. It often begins with the guided meditation script, encouraging users to find a quiet space and a comfortable position. This initial step is crucial in creating a conducive environment for self-reflection and self-compassion. Thought journaling. Users are prompted to jot down their thoughts and feelings as they arise during meditation. The part of the worksheet encourages individuals to become aware of negative self-talk or self-judgment, helping them identify areas that require nurturing and self-acceptance. Affirmations and mantras. Many self-love meditation worksheets include sections for affirmations and mantras. These positive affirmations or phrases are meant to be repeated during the meditation to instill a sense of self-worth and self-love. Users are encouraged to reflect on their experience after the meditation. This section prompts them to record any insights, emotions, or shifts in perspective that occurred during the practice. Some worksheets provide actionable steps or exercises that individuals can incorporate into their daily lives to nurture self-love. After the meditation, take a moment to reflect on your experience. Write down any insights or shifts in perspective you've gained during the practice. The worksheet is most effective when used regularly. Consider incorporating self-love meditation into your daily or weekly routine to see lasting results. Over time, revisit your journal entries and reflections. Track your progress in cultivating self-love and self-compassion. Here is a sample of our self-meditation worksheet, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our self-meditation worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a range of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.